Alrighty, hey everyone, it's Garrison, and here it's time for another inevitable cruise video. These seem to do extremely well on the channel, so if this isn't your thing, that's okay. If it is, stay tuned. This week we are on the Carnival Liberty going to Nassau and Freeport for a little spring break cruise with some friends. There's about 12 of us from UNC Wilmington, Chapel Hill, and State collectively. This is going to be our $22 balcony stateroom, an upgrade over our first floor ocean view. We are on the 8th deck. Let's take a look. So starting out here, this is going to be $83.78. It's a 3-person balcony stateroom. Coming in, as you can see, 3-person. This is not going to be a bunk room, so there's no bunk from the top unit. So this is just going to be 3 singles. We did have a king-size bed that we separated into the 2 twins. But over here we do have adequate closet storage, actually abundant closet storage, I would say, with shelving over here. Coming to your restroom, kind of the basic cruise affair. You do have your shower right here, little capsule-like shower with a curtain, the toilet, and then you do have your vanity. Plenty of shelving. There's only 2 outlets in the whole stateroom, so this is going to be one of them, and it does turn off with the lights, so that's an important note. You can't leave and turn off the lights and have something charging. Plenty of room. Pump soap is a signature. I always like to bring that, especially antibacterial with the recent sicknesses going around and such like that. So that's a crucial part. Closing that up. Of course, you do have your vanity, and this is going to be that second outlet that's in the room. Second and final, I would say. TV. You do have a small fridge down here. We did order about a 24 pack of water. Checks out to about $10 or so. I think it's about $4.90 for a 12 pack. Of course, you can request ice. They give you the big $4 bottles if that's something that you like. Then you do have storage in here. Don't mind that. And then coming over here, this is going to be a sofa, so it is converted into a bed. Coincidentally, they don't keep it turned, as in like they don't keep it as a sofa and then turn it into a bed at night. They just seem to keep it as a bed for now, which is convenient if you wanted to nap or something like that. Then here's those 2 twins. Little towel animal right there. As you can see, a little bit of room for some luggage. We didn't quite have enough room to put all of the suitcases underneath. But coming out here, we do have some plus ones that we can ask how they're enjoying their view. We did have an ocean view first floor room, and we upgraded to the 8th floor, as I said. So hello, ladies. How are we enjoying the balcony out here opposed to the picturesque window that we would have had previously?
It's so nice.
It's so much better.
I highly recommend, because you can come get some fresh air.
I was seasick, and then I came out here and I wasn't.
Yeah, it is a beautiful view.
It doesn't feel as, I don't know, you don't feel as like, it's not as rocky out here. It's nice to be outside because it's not as rocky as it feels inside.
Yeah.
If you have the option, get the upgrade.
It's a must. It's a must.
It's a must for us, at least.
Yes.
And we're balling on a budget as well. Try.
Of course, so there's plenty of room out here with 2 chairs and a table.
Exactly.
Yes.
Thank you for visiting.
Yes, I'll head back in.
Okay.
But coming back in, that's a basic overview of our $22 balcony stateroom here on the Carnival Liberty. Any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Bye, guys.